India signed a 3 billion trade deal on Monday to buy liquefied natural gas from the United States Emirates, making it the UAE's top customer as the leaders of both countries held talks to strengthen trade and defense ties. The agreement was signed during a very brief 2-hour visit to India by UAE President Sheikh Mohammed for talks with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. They pledged to double bilateral trade to $200 billion in 6 years and form a strategic defense partnership. Abu Dhabi's state firm ADNOC will supply 0.5 million metric tons of LNG a year to India's Hindustan Petroleum Corporation for 10 years. The company said. ADNOC Gas said the agreement brings the total value of its contracts with India to over $20 billion. India is now the UAE's largest customer and a very important part of ADNOC Gas LNG strategy, the company said. The UAE is India's third largest trading partner, and Sheikh Mohammed was accompanied by a government delegation that included its defense minister and foreign ministers. The two sides signed a letter of intent to work towards forming a strategic defense partnership, India's Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri told reporters. India's arch-rival neighbor Pakistan signed a mutual defense agreement with Saudi Arabia last year, and last week a Pakistani minister announced the preparation of a three-way draft defense agreement between Pakistan, Turkey and Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates, after being close allies for 10 years, have increasingly diverged over regional policy, with their rift exposed in Yemen, and they have also had disagreement over oil output. Misri, however, said that the signing of the letter of intent with the UAE does not mean that India will get involved in regional conflicts. Our involvement on the defense and security front with a country from the region does not necessarily lead to the conclusion that we will get involved in a particular way in the conflicts of the region, he said.